Hi everyone, welcome to the Digital Dutta, and today what if I tell you that you can create hundreds of shorts that you can basically use into your YouTube channel with one click through the API. Guys, yes, this is true. Shorts.gpt is basically launched, and in this video I'm going to talk about like how you can create your own custom shorts channel with the one click and how you can generate hundreds of shorts related to facts, related to any other topic that you would like to do, right? It is very simple. Guys, this is going to be an amazing tool because see, you know what, I always wanted to create history facts channels, science fact channels, right? But I wanted to do it in a very automation manner, right? So I think this is one of the person who has basically created this shorts.gpt. So let me show you. So this is the official repo of the shorts.gpt. I think it is created by the Ray Venture. Let me show you a simple demo. What you can do is you can run this demo. So this is shorts.gpt is basically created, but it is using ffmpeg image hack. So it is what exactly it is doing is that it is basically creating a video out of whatever the prompt that you will type, right? It will basically use AI voice, right? So here if you can see this person has basically done this exercise and he has tested this also. So asking redditor name, he has created a channel also where it is basically he's showing you that within a span of 2 months I was able to generate some kind of, you can say, views out of this. So by using the shorts.gpt, definitely you can basically create this, right? So how to run this locally, right? I think it is easiest way I know, which is running through the Google Colab. Google Colab is basically what you can do is whatever the shorts.gpt is there, right? You can host into as a Jupyter notebook. So the moment you run it, right, automatically you will get a link. So this link will expire, don't worry. But right now if you see, what you need to do is what you want. You want to automate a content creation for a shorts, or you want a video. So you can select that number of shorts. For example, you can give 1, 2, 3, 4. How many shorts do you want to create? What do you want? You want to create a Reddit shorts. You want to create a history facts. You can create a scientific fact. You can also select the custom facts also, or you can say, for example, history facts or facts that they don't teach you at school, right? You can create number of channels. Right now if you see, my videos is still rendering, but what I wanted to give you is it is using something called as 11 labs. 11 labs is basically used for the AI voice, right? So you can get a AI voice. It's a free of course. So first you need to do is go to configuration, right? Let me hide everything, right? Go to configuration. Here what you can do is you can use a open API key. Open API key is basically ChatGPT key to create a script, right? By using the prompt. So you can get this key, right? How you can get a key? You can go to platform.openai.com/account/usage. The moment you go there, add your credit card and it will give you a key. You can get a key from the 11 labs. If you go to profile, here you can see your key also. It's a temporary key. It's a free of cost. Again, you can get it, right? And the third key is basically Pixels key. Just Google Pixels key and create a free account and you will get a key also like this. Okay, temporary keys you have added. Now, second step is you can add assets, right? Whatever, for example, we have added like a couple of music libraries. You can add YouTube images also here, which you can use a background. So what exactly going on is YouTube free creative license background, and here the images will come. So let me show you the output.
Scientific facts that
so see that.
your mind. Researchers have discovered that octopuses possess the incredible capability to edit their own genetic code. This means they can effectively rewrite their DNA to adapt to their environment. It's not just humans who have fingerprints. Koalas do too. Their unique prints are so similar to ours that they've even been mistaken for crime scene evidence. On Mercury, a day lasts longer than a year. Due to the planet's slow rotation, it takes about 58 Earth days for the Sun to complete one Mercurian day, while it takes just 88 Earth days for Mercury to orbit around the Sun. Incredible, right?
So now you can see, right, this is one of the fact video which is created by the shorts.gpt, and I think it is very engaging, right? This person has already proved that he has created a channel also, and also by the way, I am also planning to create a channel out of it. You just need to basically, what you need to do is just go to the content automation and just select whatever that you want. So right now our video is also getting rendered, right? Let's wait for a few seconds, but I'm going to show you like how you can run it into 2 environments. You can run this by using locally also. I have tried locally also. If you're using Mac, I think it is the easiest way is to install Python. So first of all, it's nothing but a Python you can say app, right, which will basically create a videos by using the image magic, by using the ffmpeg, which is used to create a videos, by the way. So you can follow the steps. For example, just install image magic, and after that just install the ffmpeg to create a video, and after that just need to install the dependencies, and step by step you can run it. If you find this difficult, right, I know it is very difficult for beginners. My recommendation is very simple. What you need to do is just create this collab. right? Click on this collab, right? Easiest way if you want to run it, right, which I am also using, which is eShorts.ai. By the way, this is what I thought the name should. Okay, here you will find this code. What you need to do is just clone this, right? So file, make a copy in your own drive and click on this button. This will basically run your file on the Google Colab, right? And this is how it will run, and after that it will give you a URL. A temporary URL will be given to you like this, and this URL which where this application is already running. So you can modify this application also if you know code, right? If you know how basically Python works and everything, right? Assets, you can always add new assets if you want. You want to add a background video, right? Even I can add this asset, right? For example, name does ABCD said add, and here you will see it will be added automatically. Just 2 seconds. So this is added as a background video, and here if you see it will be available here also, right? So you can use that also. So time taken, I think it will take 11 minutes. So let's not wait for this, right? Again, the output, we have created a lot of videos around this. So output you have already seen, right? I hope this video makes sense. So new things are coming in the space of AI and we are basically learning. I hope this video helps. Like and subscribe for these kind of AI related tools, knowledge videos. Thanks for watching the Digital Death. Thanks a lot and bye-bye. I'll see you.